Portuguese residential pilot has the main objective to test one of the developments of the project, which is the semantic interoperability of the household and the commercial appliances. In what regards to if they can help the grid operation. So I would say that the main development, the main innovation of the Portuguese pilot is this semantic interoperability of the assets, because it will give theoretically the consumer the correct tools to manage all of the assets in the same way. I see that the main objective of the continuity of the project is for the consumer to be more aware of their impact on the energy system and to develop a critical thinking on these matters that covers the project. For instance, on our side, we are starting to understand where we could engage these types of consumers to test in other demonstration, other technologies that we plan to develop on other topics related to the energy transition as well.